Model, 2011 Nissan Nv200 1.5 Ply Linned ready to work with full MOT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 155,165. MOT, the 18th of December 2025. Engine, 1461 cc K9 K84 bhp E4A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Pulls well through all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, electric windows. This is an ex-electrician's van so it's very clean.